everyone, it's Danielle with Northlawn Flower Farms. I just picked up a bunch of absolutely stunning proven winter shrubs from my girlfriend's nursery, Ken's Gardens here in Lancaster County. And I started to open a few over in the truck and they were just looking absolutely gorgeous in every way that I decided to run upstairs and get my camera so that we can unwrap these beautiful shrubs together. So let's see what we got here. So I kind of know what I'm getting, but I'm not sure which. Oh, that's beautiful. This is absolutely stunning. This is a Winecraft gold smoke bush. And I have been wanting one of these gold varieties of smoke bushes for years because I have the purple variety, I have Winecraft black, but this gold, oh, I love it. Oh, this looks like a beautiful hydrangea. Oh, that's gorgeous. I can tell right away this is Invincible Lime because I've wanted one of these also for such a long time. I'm so thankful to have one now. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. I mean, those blooms. This is just like, not just a shrub full of happiness, but also I envision in the future a vase full of happiness. I'm completely amazed that these shrubs arrive in such wonderful condition. Oh wow. Oh my. Oh, it's like opening a gorgeous bouquet, isn't it? Hydrangeas have always been my all-time favorite flower. I remember, when I was first going through the Master Gardener program and everybody was talking about their favorite flower and they were all talking about these flowers that were super rare. I had never heard of them before and I was like, I like hydrangeas. But do you blame me? Now this one looks like a lilac of sorts. I think there's two of them in here. Okay, these are really exciting, and even though they're not in bloom now, these are the Bloomerang Dwarf Lilacs, and I have really been wanting these because we have two older lilacs that are really, really big and they're beautiful, but a lot of times I have to size control them so that I can harvest their blooms. So to have these more dwarf varieties that only get about 36 inches tall and wide, it's just going to be such a joy and so much easier to harvest. Wow, everything looks so healthy. These are really exciting. These are Invincible Mini Mauvette, and I have the Invincible Spirit 2 hydrangea, which you might have seen over there in my garden, which has a lighter pink hydrangea bloom. These ones I know are a little bit darker and they don't get quite as big. So even my mom, when she saw these used in containers once, and she's like, I've got to get my hands on one of those plants, and oh, it's just going to be such a beautiful year. healthy these all look for being on a truck for 2 days all packed up. Oh, I'm speechless. Oh, this one is just, you know, everyone I open is just as gorgeous, if not more gorgeous than the next. Oh, it's just beautiful. This one is a tough stuff hydrangea. I do have one of these in the driveway garden, and oh, it's just stunning. This one I think I can lift the top right off. I don't want to hurt it. I'm going to cut it. Oh, so healthy and green. This one is Little Quickfire Hydrangea, and look at how beautiful it looks. You know, it's not even in bloom yet, and it's just a stunning shrub. Love it. Looks like another lilac and another hydrangea. So this is another Invincible Mini Mauvette. So I have 3 of those. I can do something absolutely beautiful with those. And then another Bloomerang Purple Lilac. Let me show you what I opened in the truck before I started filming. So this is the other shrub that I unboxed on the truck that made me think I need to go grab my camera. These look so stunning. I want to share this beauty with everyone. This is an oak leaf hydrangea called Gatsby Girl, and I'm so excited to have it in my garden. I'm always seeing oak leaf hydrangeas used at Longwood Gardens all over the place, and it just looks so right. I don't know what it is about them, and also they have that absolutely beautiful fall color to offer as well. And they make great cut flowers. All of these things produce so many wonderful buckets of cut flowers, and I am just so thankful to have them this year and to work them into arrangements and to trial them in the garden and in the vase. It's just going to be a beautiful year. Well, until next time, happy gardening. Bye!